Sorry, in the last video, I actually forgot to explain how lysosomes actually break down substances in the vacuole. So what they do is that basically, you see the tiny, tiny dots I've put in the lysosomes? Those are what are called the digestive enzymes. So they have enzymes that digest things really quick. So the lysosomes basically connect to the vacuole where the bacteria is, and the enzymes do their work, digest it. And if the thing digested is not useful to the cell, it just sends the vacuole, connects to the cell membrane, and just spews it out. So yeah, basically. So hello there. So in the last video, I stopped explaining with the lysosome and the vacuole. Now I'll move to another interesting organelle, which is this, and we call these the centriole. Centriole. Now the centriole or the centrioles are organelles that aid in cell division. Now, cell division is basically a way that cells use to multiply themselves. So it's like basically how cells reproduce through cell division. And this centriole body helps in cell division. So again, I'll leave that up to you to go and research. But basically, what I think is that they like stretch themselves into long like strands, you know, and connect to one another. So it's some weird, crazy stuff. I don't really go into that area. So basically, centrioles basically help in cell reproduction or cell division. Then we have the mitochondria, and truly they are mighty and powerful because they are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Let me spell mitochondria for you real quick. Mitochondria. If it's singular, it is mitochondrion. So mitochondrion is singular, mitochondria is plural. What these organelles basically do is that they produce energy for the cell to use. A lot of the things that the cell does actually requires energy to work. So that's why these organelles are known as the powerhouse of the cell. There's mitochondria. There are many mitochondria. So yeah, so mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce energy for the cell in the form of, drumroll please, ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. Yet again, I'll leave that to you to go and research more on it so I understand. So that's basically it for this video.